Well, January is a time of new beginnings, and for most women, looking younger almost always tops the list of things to do. Well, what if there were a way to shave years off your look without going under the knife, suffering in pain, or shelling out tens of thousands of dollars? As it turns out, there is a way, and that's the subject of tonight's 4 o'clock focus. The older we get, the less we enjoy this sound. Pictures remind us of the toll Mother Nature is taking on our face.
I would love just to look refreshed and less tired and ready to go.
But today, it's the sound of change for Karen Sims. After years of wanting to look just a little bit younger, she's taking 20 minutes out of her busy schedule to rewind the clock.
My goal is just to look refreshed and not for them to actually say, wow, what have you had done? I don't want the shocking before and after. I just want better.
Right here, here's our parenthesis line, and we see here is the parenthesis line.
Instead of a full-blown facelift, Karen is turning to this, a syringe full of dermal filler called Juvederm.
But many women want a 15 to 30-minute office procedure that can freshen them up and make them feel like they're looking their best. So
rather than cutting and pulling the face, which can sometimes distort a woman's look, the doctor is filling the wrinkles one at a time. Thanks to the numbing agent inside this syringe, it's a procedure that's almost painless.
I kept waiting for it to hurt. There is virtually no pain, maybe a 0.5 on a scale of 1 to 10.
And the results are instant. 10 minutes after her procedure, she had her makeup back on with no scars and virtually no signs that a needle had ever been there.
I am just blown away. It's so fantastic.
Here's the before and after.
And when I see that it's much softer now, I am very, very pleased.
What would have been expensive, painful, and time-consuming just 10 years ago really is something that can be done on a lunch break.
We listen, we analyze, and then we formulate together a customized individual treatment plan, and then the patient participates all along the way with the mirror in hand, and that's how we get a natural result.
Now, depending on where you go, one syringe of Juvederm can cost anywhere from $500 to $600, and the effects usually last a year or more. And while that's not exactly cheap, it's about 1/10 of what you'd pay for a surgical procedure without all the associated risks and downtime.